Hello everyone, my name is Diane and this is my pink bathtub. Today we are going to learn about ribbing. Ribbing is a very common thing that is done in knitting, and it essentially just requires the knit stitch and the purl stitch to be done one after the other to create this very stretchy fabric. This type of fabric is often used on the brim of hats. Essentially, it is consisting of the two basic stitches, knit stitch and purl stitch. I have some already knitted up, but I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Now, on the patterns, they may say knit 1, purl 1, repeat, which basically means exactly that. You're just going to do knit 1, purl 1 all the way along the live stitches till you get to the end of your row. And the thing that you need to do that'll make this successful is to have an even number of stitches on your work. So let's get started. We're just going to knit and purl and repeat. So then you just go back to knitting and purling. The reason why it's important to have an even number of stitches is that when you get to the end of your row, you are going to end on a purl stitch. Here's the purl stitch. We're going to turn it around, and now we have a V there, which is the knit stitch. And again, you're just going to go back the way you came and knit again. So you're just going to knit and purl all the way across. Quite often, people will just do this simple technique to make a scarf. Let's just see what this fabric looks like here. So you can make a scarf with this, and this will lay flat. Now here's an example of knit 2, purl 2, and you can see it lays flat, so this would be a very good option to make a scarf with. And I apologize if this color is too bright for you to see the stitches. I'll just hold it up closer. So you've got the first 2 stitches are knit, then purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, all the way across. So that essentially is ribbing. Let's see, what should we do next? I think we should start doing increases and decreases because that's what creates the shaping of your fabric. So I think we're going to start with learning some decreases. So next video is going to be knit 2 together. I hope you are enjoying what you're seeing, and if so, please subscribe, like, or comment to this video, and we will see you next time. Keep on knitting, friends, and hey, make that scarf for yourself. You deserve it. Bye for now.